Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be learning how we can install IntelliJ on our Windows machine. The process will be very similar for the Mac as well. So to install the IntelliJ, first we need to download it. So open up your browser and simply type IntelliJ. So IntelliJ is this piece of software that we will be using to write our Java course. So once you see this link, simply click on Downloads here, and then a new page will open. So once you are on this page, you will see this IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. Now remember, this is a paid version. We will not be using this version. So all you have to do is scroll down a little, and there you will see the community version. That's the version all of you are supposed to install it. So click on this download button, and after you do that, the downloading will start. Now, depending upon your internet connection, it might take some time. So let it download once it is complete. All right, guys, so download is complete. Now let's open it and let's go into the folder. So all we have to do is double click on this file, and then the installation will start. Again, it might take a little while, so don't worry, let it complete. Okay, so once the installation starts, it will look something like this. So it's very simple. All we have to do is click on next, 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 and install. That's it. 3 clicks, and then it will start installing. And here, depending upon your computer, the hardware, it might take a little while. So give it some time. Once it is complete, I will be again. So let's wait for it. All right. So the installation is complete. Now let's click on this checkbox, and then let's click on finish. And now the IntelliJ will start. So let me bring it to this screen. And this is how it is going to look like. Now, because I have already installed IntelliJ many times on my computer, so it's already opening some of the projects. But for you guys, this is how it's going to look like. So for you, you will see something like this. So a window, something like this, where it will be asking you basically to create a new project. So to create a new project, all you have to do is give it any name. So for example, let's say Java Basics. And then make sure that you select Maven. And then now this part where it says JDK, I already have a JDK installed on my computer. But for some of you, you might not see any JDK here. So what you have to do, you have to click on this drop down, and then you have to click on download JDK. And once you do that, you will see a list of JDKs. So the latest one is 21, but we will be using the 11, or you can also use 15 or 17, but make sure it is at least 11. Below that, it's not going to work. So let's say, for example, I want to go with JDK, let's say 15. So select that and click on download. Once you do that, you will also see a JDK here selected automatically for you. And after all is done, simply click on create, and then let's click on new window. And this is how it is going to look like. Now, to make sure that everything has been installed properly, you can go to this main. You might see some code already written here, but if you don't have some code already written here, that's also totally fine. And then what you can do, you can right click, and then you can click on run the main. And once you do that, you should see some kind of output over here. For example, I see here, hello and welcome, I is equal to not 1, something like this. You can simply maybe try to print your name or the iconic hello world program like this. And then right click and click on run. So if you see your output, that means everything has been installed properly and you are good for your first class. If you face any issues, please post the screenshot of your issue in the support channel, and our team will assist you. So that's it. On how we can install IntelliJ, and I'll see you in the first class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.